Hey y'all, it's simply Rosita on the Boho Babe Homestead. Come unbox this package with me. It's already been opened by customs, so there's a tape on here. This is a package from Timo. Hang on, let me get this out. Oops. This is supposed to be a solar security camera. I had one like this before. I have it, still works, but I'm hoping that this is the match so that I can just use one app. I think the lights are a bit different on here. I paid $15 for this, and I think the $15 included the shipping. I got it off Temu. Okay, so this is the manual. Really hoping they look alike, and on the app it did have the same icon on it as the camera that I have installed outside the panel. This is the panel. This is a solar panel. I've had the one I have has been up since July and it works pretty well. I haven't had any issues with it. So this is it. It has the same icon on there. The only difference is I think these lights, I think the one I have only have 2 lights in the middle right here. This one has 4. This does feel a bit heavier.
Power on. Entering pairing mode.
Okay, I need to turn this off before I mess it up. How do I turn it off? Okay, it's off.
Entering pairing mode.
It's still on. Anyway, these are the mounts.
Entering pairing mode.
These are the mounts. These are a bit different from the one I have up. I'm guessing this is a newer model or an older model. I don't know. This is for the camera.
Entering pairing mode.
I have no idea. The one I have installed, both brackets are like this, so I'm gonna have to check the manual to see what this one goes on. But that's it. That is it for this unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I still haven't posted the video of me installing the first one, but this one will go around the back. I'm not sure if I will be doing a video on that one because it's gonna be up high and it's gonna be a lot of work. I will try my best, but subscribe, turn your notification on. However, this cord seems a bit longer than the one I have already. It does seem a bit longer, but yeah, that's the only difference. I'm hoping that when I do scan that thing, it's the same app because it's the same icon on there. Anyway guys, that's it for this 1080p Wi-Fi security camera. It's cloud storage, by the way, and you have to pay for that. Bye bye.